this is the biggest challenge of most of the solopreneurs. I don't like to call you freelancer. So whoever mentioned that you're a freelancer, you're someone, Savand, okay, stop calling yourself a freelancer. Okay, instead call yourself a solopreneur. Okay, because the world is shaping up in such a way that you can become, see, entrepreneur is different from a freelancer. Solopreneur is running various aspects of his business single-handedly with right automation and digital systems in place, versus a freelancer is only doing one component. Okay, you are just an executor, somebody who is simply implementing. So you can be a freelancer Python trainer, you can be a freelancer healing teacher. Okay, but if you want to shift from freelancer to an entrepreneur, why I'm telling you why this was not possible prior to COVID. Okay, this was not possible prior to COVID. Thanks to COVID, it is possible now that you can call yourself an entrepreneur, because right in the comfort of your home, sitting right in the comfort of your home, just with laptop, a great internet connection and a good camera, a good audio system, you can run your business like an entrepreneur, handling various aspects alone with right digital systems and tools. That is why you will be an entrepreneur, a solopreneur, because you're doing it all by yourself, because you don't like to handle employees. Maybe you don't want to hire employees. Maybe you like the freedom, you like your independence, you don't want to be binded by so many things again. Okay, so you may, or you can actually set up a team also. Have sales team, have marketing team, have creatives team, have your tech team, your wish. But this business model that I'm going to share with you today has potential to be run independently alone, right in the comfort of your home, which I am doing right now. I am not someone who will simply tell you what to do. Okay, I am a role model myself. I first do it, then I share how you can also do it. So that's the agenda of our today's program. I hope you're super excited as I am to share with you how you can build your knowledge business as an I-preneur. Okay, I-preneur. Why I stands for I, as an independent, okay, internet insightful entrepreneur. Okay, and knowledge givers, this is possible for you. Knowledge givers who have, your thoughts are your products. So your inventory is your thought. Okay, if I am running a jewelry business, my inventory is my products, earrings, pendant, finger ring, bangle. I have to, there is a cost of inventory. But in the knowledge business, if your thoughts are your inventory, there is no cost to maintain an inventory. And that is why this model is also a low investment yet highly profitable business model, right? Because you can run it in the comfort of your home with no employees, no office, no rental deposit, no staff salaries, no housekeeping, no security guards. Okay, you are also saving a lot of operational costs, right? Okay, entrepreneur, become an entrepreneur, because as a freelancer you're always dependent on someone to give you some work, right? As an entrepreneur, you are creating, you're not dependent on anyone to give you work. That is the main difference, right? As a freelancer, someone is a freelancer, isn't he dependent on people to give him work to write copy, right? Unless he's getting that work, he's not able to he's not doing anything with his skills. But what if someone can create a copywriting course where he's teaching people how to copyright? So now he has two revenue streams. One, where he's getting work to give his skills. Another, he's helping people get copywriting skills, right? So now two revenue streams. So he is not dependent on someone giving him work. He has created his own revenue vertical, right? So that is what an I-preneur is. Okay, if you want to see solopreneur, if you don't want to create your knowledge business and you are an independent person alone doing some execution implementation work. Okay, but entrepreneur, if you have deep insights and wisdom, experiential knowledge, which can be created into digital assets, which can become your products, not only create products, they will become high selling products. Okay, and you can generate the sales on your own after few years of effort. Okay, it does not happen, it's a journey, it does not happen in the beginning itself. Okay, but strategically you can create a business model which I call the new age business model. I also call it the WWW business model, where www is not World Wide Web, because you are using the World Wide Web, but it is a whatever, wherever, whenever business model, without worrying about affordability, because it empowers you to run this business from any place in the world. Be in the nook and corner of your gaon, village. See that song, Party Ho Rahi Hai. That where did that got created? Where did that song got created? Party Ho Rahi Hai, which became viral, right? No, it is just a way of standing out, Jay. Okay, it is just a way of entrepreneur is an who is entrepreneur? Who is the definition of an entrepreneur? What is the definition of an entrepreneur? Anyone here? What is the definition of an entrepreneur? Type in the chat box. Okay. So if you say you are just an entrepreneur or a startup founder, again, you are very generic. But the moment you say I-preneur, it is just a unique name which helps you qualify, right? I got your attention, right? When I said solopreneur, some of you responded. The moment I said I-preneur, some of you responded. But if I simply keep on saying entrepreneur, okay, it is just one common word for you. It's too broad. So all you find your unique positioning by giving unique names to what you do. So if you tell somebody in a forum, I'm an I-preneur, they will ask, what does I-preneur mean? Right? Right? Okay. So depends on you, what you want to, it totally depends on you, how you want to use it. Okay. You should be able to justify what you are using, right?